My name is Mahmoud Osman and I'm from Morocco. So I was searching online about places to learn how to ride motorbike, and I found a lot of runners on expat Facebook groups recommending the DC motorbikes. The car license was pretty easy because I have already my driving license from my home country, so it was just switching to Vietnamese one. They check my height, weight, and they ask it general questions and check my size. Yeah, I want to reserve or book the test for driving license. And because I'm taking the practice test soon, I decided to rent the semi-automatic motorbike from DC motorbike for 1 week to practice before I go to the test.